Hello, I'm Matt. I'm gonna be your companion. Let's have fun.
What's up, kids? It's National Peach Melba Day. Are you ready to learn all about this delicious holiday in a fun and exciting way?
Yeah!
Let's get started now. This is the first question to start. On what day of the year is National Peach Melba Day celebrated? A. January 13th. B. February 14th. C. April 1st. D. December 25th.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know, it's A.
The correct answer is A. Peach Melba Day is celebrated on January 13th every year, so mark your calendars.
Okay.
You may have heard of Peach Melba Day, but did you know that the name Peach Melba is a combination of the names of two famous figures? The Australian opera singer Nellie Melba and the fruit peach.
Woo!
Who's responsible for inventing this tasty treat? A. Thomas Keller. B. Julia Child. C. Auguste Escoffier. D. My grandmother.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Auguste Escoffier, the man, the myth, the culinary legend, invented Peach Melba back in 1892, while he was cooking up a storm at the Savoy Hotel in London. And let's be real, who doesn't love a chef with a good sense of timing? He created this dish as a tribute to the famous Australian soprano Nellie Melba, who was performing in London at the time, talking about killing two birds with one stone. He poached some peaches, added vanilla ice cream, raspberry sauce, and voila! A sweet masterpiece that's still loved by many today. What do we need to whip up this sweet and juicy treat? A. Peaches, raspberry sauce, and vanilla ice cream. B. Lemons, sugar, and cream. C. Chocolate chips, marshmallows, and graham crackers. D. Peanut butter, jelly, and bread.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We need peaches.
All right, Matt, listen up. If you want to make this sweet and juicy treat, you're gonna need peaches, vanilla ice cream, and raspberry sauce. Plus, a sprinkle of sugar, a dash of fancy, and a big ol' serving of deliciousness. And maybe a little bit of French accent for good measure. Trust me, once you get a taste of this dessert, you'll be a convert for life. Peach Melba is a dessert that loves to dress up. It can be served in many ways, but which one is the most common? A. On a bed of silk pillow. B. In a glass of champagne. C. With a scoop of vanilla ice cream. D. With a side of caviar.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ice cream.
Matt is right.
The most common way to serve Peach Melba is with a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Yummy.
But let's be real, who says common has to be boring? Peach Melba is so delicious it can be served any way you like and still be amazing, whether it's a scoop of ice cream, a drizzle of syrup, or simply on its own. So go ahead and get creative with your Peach Melba, the possibilities are endless. Why do we celebrate National Peach Melba Day? A. To honor the delicious Peach Melba dessert and the mastermind behind it, Auguste Escoffier. B. To give us an excuse to eat as much Peach Melba as we want. C. To show our appreciation for the rich culinary history behind the dish. D. To play ice cream bowling with Peach Melba scoops.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Why do we celebrate National Peach Melba Day? Well, it's a day to honor this delicious dessert and the mastermind behind it, Auguste Escoffier, who created it back in 1892. But let's be real. The main reason we celebrate is because this dessert is just too darn good to only have one day a year dedicated to it. So, on this day we indulge in the sweet, juicy, and heavenly goodness that is peach melba. How do people around the world celebrate National Peach Melba Day? A. Eating peach melba. B. Making peach melba at home. C. Attending peach melba themed events. D. All of the above.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So easy. It's D.
Well, primarily people in the United States celebrate this day by enjoying the dish of peach melba either by cooking it at home, visiting a restaurant that serves peach melba, or attending a food event that features the dish. Some people may also choose to celebrate by experimenting with new recipes or variations of peach melba. And of course, some restaurants may offer special deals or a peach melba themed menu on this day. And let's be real, who can blame them? With peach melba's sweet and juicy deliciousness, it's a challenge we'd all like to take on. How can a dish invented in London be considered a classic French dessert? A. Because the creator was French. B. Because it was made with French techniques. C. Because it was widely adopted and popularized in France. D. Because of the cultural exchange and influence of culinary tradition.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's A, isn't it?
Actually, the answer is D.
Well, it's kind of like how American pizza is still considered Italian. Just because something may have originated somewhere else, it doesn't mean it can't be claimed and perfected by another culture. Plus, peach melba was created by the one and only Auguste Escoffier, the father of modern French cuisine, so it's got some serious French cred.
School.
Why does the US throw a party for a dessert that was created by the French and first performed in London? A. Because peach melba has a strong association with the US. B. Because it was named after an Australian singer who was popular in the US. C. Because it became a beloved tradition in the US. D. Because of all of the above.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's D. I was right.
It's like how America celebrates Thanksgiving, but it originated from a different country. Sometimes things just catch on and become a beloved tradition. Peach melba has been a fan favorite in the US for years, particularly in the early 20th century. It was often a highlight on fancy restaurant menus and considered a luxurious and sophisticated dessert. And let's not forget that peach melba was named after the beloved Australian opera singer Nellie Melba, who was a big hit in the US. All these factors combined led to peach melba's strong association with the US. Plus, who doesn't love a good excuse to indulge in a delicious dessert? And let's face it, peach melba is a real showstopper of a dessert. It's sweet, it's juicy, it's heavenly. It's basically the Beyoncé of desserts. And who wouldn't want to celebrate that?
Not me. I love peach melba.
Alright Matt, that's a wrap on our Peach Melba Day adventure. I hope you had a blast learning all about this sweet treat. And I know you're already planning your next Peach Melba Day celebration in your head. Remember, every day is a good day to enjoy peach melba. It's like pizza, it's never a bad time for it. So go forth, indulge in the sweet and juicy deliciousness that is peach melba, and don't forget to spread the word and let everyone know just how lit Peach Melba Day can be. Thanks for joining us. Until next time.
Goodbye. See you guys later.